So, mao ni ang mga nahitabo sa atong Sunday. So, of course, Sunday with mom, lunch out. So, kaon lang tag-quick sa Greenwich kay dala-dala yung senior ID. And gitry naman yung creamy caramel ice cream cake something. So, let me put siya. Let me open this so you can also see. Open na to. Wait for a while. Okay, so wala siya. So, it's a mix of ice cream on the top and cake on the bottom. So, kana akong scoop. Sa karon it's very gahi. So, for me, it's just enough sweetness. So, perfect to end your meal. And here, we just have our parang random chismis and all. Just the usual. And on the afternoon, I went for a self-date, went to Time Zone and played this claw machine. And I won, like 3 of them. So light green, it's the yellow, green, and 1 pink. And later after that, I went to Kuta Shrine para makadagkot. And as I passed by the wellness park, I saw these kids. They're just enjoying sliding on this area. It's fun to be a kid.